Belief doesn't make reality. Beliefs should regard all types of reality. Strife shouldn't be fueled by fantasy. Let go and feel the ecstasy, or dwell upon the knife of technology. There are choices involved in the reality of you and me. We can define magic as the art and science of religiosity. So therefore, the facts and the established uses of those facts should be considered and made part of one's practice of spirituality. Now, so how Nargargole Shlod might feel about something. Apparently the title, people have issue with the title because they may be claiming that as a religious or spiritual person, I might be claiming to, no, just involve that. It's like eating. It's like obviously praying isn't going to remove your ability to need to eat and drink and whatever for your survival. You just include the remembrance and the principles. That's all I would ever say. I wouldn't say to oppose medicine.